Before lining up, teens across Ohio will first have to grow up.
Yeah, the governor signed the state's $60 billion budget this morning, so the state's smoking age went from 18 to 21. News 5's Jordan Vandenberg joined us live in the studio to break down all the details.
And it all happened with the governor's flick of the pen. In Ohio became the 18th state to change its smoking age to 21. But it's not just traditional cigarettes. It also applies to vaping products and even rolling papers.
Don't smoke.
As a kid, Rick Novickus was around it, and perhaps that explains why now he avoids it.
I know my mother came to this country and began smoking only because the other people working in her office, the other ladies, were smoking. So why not start? And then that was a person who had to quit turkey and wound up dying of cancer.
As the director of environmental public health for the Cuyahoga County Board of Health, Novickus applauds the state's move to raise the smoking age from 18 to 21. The reason, he says, comes down to data.
95% of the people that are addicted to smoking as adults began prior to the age of 21. So if you nip that in the bud and you make it more challenging for 18, 19, and 20-year-olds to get tobacco, that basically leads to fewer folks smoking in the future, thus fewer adults that are addicted to tobacco and the health implications, and in all honesty, a longer lifespan.
The age change comes after dozens of cities and municipalities in Ohio have already adopted what's called Tobacco 21, and that includes 7 in Cuyahoga County.
Officials say by making the tobacco age at 21 years of age across the state, it also creates uniformity because as of yesterday, you could buy tobacco products at 18 years of age in the city of Parma. But if you were to simply walk across the street into the city of Brooklyn, it was 21 years of age. Now it's 21 across the board.
The change to 21 also applies to vaping products, which has surged in popularity in recent years. Predictably, trade organizations representing vape shops have been against the change, citing, among other things, the potential impact on business.
Before Smoke-Free Ohio passage, at that point, the sky was falling. Every business is going to close. Every bowling alley, movie theater, everyone's going to go out of business. No one's going to come to my facility anymore because they can't smoke here. Well, the exact opposite is the case now.
The budget bill also includes a 10-cent tax per milliliter on vaping products. As for enforcement, well, that will be done on the local level. Jordan Vandenberg, News 5.